Namaste and welcome back to the channel. My name is Rajiv and I make vlogs on travel and road tripping. We are road trip enthusiasts and we do a lot of long distance traveling. So today I'm making this vlog on the gadgets, extra tools and road trip essentials that I carry in my car all the time. These are just the stuff that I carry in my car and I feel they are essentials and I just feel like sharing with you like-minded people. I'm sure most of you guys would love to know what's there in each other's cars. I mean, at least I do. So without wasting too much of your time, here's the list.
First on the list is the drinking water bottle for the driver. ये एक छोटा सा bottle है and इसका खासियत ये है कि इसमें zipper है और एक हाथ से आप खोल के पानी पी सकते हो. So it's very convenient to quickly have a sip of water while you're still driving. Number 2 is the dashcam. I use a Xiaomi dashcam जो मैंने काफी साल पहले खरीदा था for around $3,000. Phone holders. There are 3 of them. एक windscreen का बीच में, दूसरा on the AC vent and एक तीसरा वाला for the passenger side. I avoid using the one on the windscreen during the daytime as the hot sun can potentially damage your phone and this is something which is avoidable especially during full day long drives. Tissue holder on the passenger side sun visor. Very convenient for easy access. 5th is the wide-angle clip-on type rear view mirror. I have been using this mirror for quite some time. It was there on my earlier car as well. This significantly increases the field of view behind and abhi aadat sa ho gaya. I can't do without it now. 6th is a cup holder charger. It has 2 12-volt sockets and 2 USB ports. अगर आप dashcam use करते हो तो you will need something like this क्योंकि you will need the extra socket to charge other devices. Swiss military USB charger with 4 ports for rear passengers. I always keep extra power glasses and sunglasses in the glove compartment. Neck support pillows. This is something which helps you prevent from getting neck cramps while sleeping in a moving car. Simple bag hooks which can be attached to the headrest for rear passengers as well in the cargo area to keep loose bag type hanging type stuff in place. Obviously in today's pandemic times hand sanitizer sprays are very important. एक बड़ा वाला जो पीछे का दरवाजे में होता है और एक छोटा वाला next to the driver. Key fob, glass breaking and seat cutter tool. It's the brand called Resqme. Mosquito repellent spray and wet wipes conveniently kept in the seat pockets. Tubeless tire repair kit. A can of WD-40. This product has hundreds of usages, right from cleaning jam nuts to removing tough stains, etc. etc. I think everyone should keep a can of WD-40 in their cars. Jumper cables of the highest rating for SUVs and trucks. Analog tire pressure monitor. First aid kit cum medicine box, including emergency medication. A multi-tool kit and a Swiss Army knife. Torch. Headlamp is always better. Multi-port charging cable. Garbage bags. 5 liter ka water can. This one has a slim profile like a jerry can. It does not take up too much space. The full can holds enough water for 3 of us to last an entire day. 2 chhatri, a folding one and a full big one. Pair of ratchet straps if I ever need to tie down stuff securely on the top carrier that I have in the car. Most of these smaller items I keep them in a canvas bag which is secured to the rear seat neck rest so that it doesn't tumble around here and there. Jopasu का duster, ये एक excellent product है to clean your car if it is covered in dust. 3 camping chairs and a folding table, all from Decathlon. So that's it. This is a list of gadgets and essentials in my car. I'm sure there'll be more essentials which may be missing from this list. Like I said earlier, it may not be a comprehensive one. And if you have any specific queries on any of this stuff, please ask in the comments section. I will definitely love to get back to you. I would also definitely love to know the gadgets, the essentials that you guys carry in your car. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one again. Namaste and bye bye.